Alrighty, so here we are ready to open up my homemade, self-inflicted, do-it-yourself sock club for 2026, and I'm ready to choose my yarn for February. So, trust me, I'm closing my eyes. That one. Okay, I opened them again now, so let's go see which this one is. Alrighty, so here's my yarn for February. Let's see who I picked. I'm just as excited as you are, I think. And it is just by groping it. I know that it is not one with, it's not one of the ones from Rising Tide Fiber Company, because I can feel that there's not the extra one when I really squish it. So let's see who we've got. So this one's going to have bare toes, heels, and cuffs. Oh boy. So this is little bay blue. I had a couple skeins from here I bought a while back. This is red feckle. I don't think I can get my mouth around that word. Red, freckle, and blue. So it's a 4-ply fingering weight, 50 grams, 75% merino, 25% nylon. I'm excited to get this one started. So I'm gonna go get this caked up and ready to go. It'll be ready once I get the toes done. So I guess this is probably like a 4th of July type of yarn in February, but it does have the red flecks for February. Alrighty, so there we go. That's who won the draw for February. So join me as we spend time this month getting this guy done. Alrighty, I'm ready to cast on my February socks. Everything's all ready. My knitting needles, so Chowgu, 2.25 millimeters, size US size 1. It's a little shorter cable. Usually I use the 47-inch cable, but I have the 40-inch for this one. Some bare yarn. And here's what this one looks like all caked up. Isn't that pretty? I'm so excited to get the toes done so I can start to see what this looks like. So that's the yarn. Red, freckle, and blue. I spit it out right this time. And some markers to mark every 10 rounds. Alrighty. I'm going to cast on once I get to church, and we'll do that during Sunday school and get the toes started. I might, well, hopefully I'll get to the regular yarn today. See you soon. Alrighty, let's see what kind of progress I've made so far on my February socks. So I worked on these mostly only on Sunday. As you can see, this is attached. I worked on it mostly on Sunday, and I plan on getting some more work on it done soon, but here's where I am so far. So the toes are done, and I added the first first 4 rounds are done in the 3.5 rounds. So it's kind of hard to see what the color is going to actually look like once it's knit up, but you'll see more progress on this once I do my regular video on Saturday. Alrighty, so there's my progress. I'm loving this yarn so far. So I can't wait to see how it turns out and how much, or not how much. Can't wait to see how it looks once more of it is knit up. Alrighty, thanks for joining me for episode 2 of my self-imposed, homemade, whatever I called it, sock club. So I will see you guys again soon. Thanks for joining me. Bye.